Hi everyone, it's Michelle and I have such a fun announcement to make. I collaborated with Coco and Reno on these dies this month. So I told you guys a while back I was working on something and this was it. So I hope you guys like it. It's so different than my last set. I wanted something that was festive all year round, but like fun and you could use in various ways. So Brooke, who actually works and owns Coco and Reno, worked with me on this and we had such a fun time collaborating on this. So let me show you what's in the kit, okay? The name of the kit is Wraps, but it's obviously not just wraps. You could do different things with it. So this is going to be all of the dies that come in the kit. And sorry, I don't really know which way to turn this. As you can see, this is going to be the wrap die that wraps around any like cup. And let me show you just an example. This is the mini cups. So there is a competitor that makes a die set like this that's actually very expensive, and I've been wanting to do a project like this without having to trace over the paper. So I knew I wanted something less expensive that everyone could use and buy. And also, when you make this, it's not just for mini, you can actually expand it and like cut it down a little bit. So let me show you the wraps real quick. So I did cut these out so you guys can see them. So the wrap is going to come like this because I want you all to be able to use this. You know, I don't want it to be confusing. But typically when you do these, what you do is you connect this and then you wrap it around. So as you can see how big it is, it will go over several different things, not just this teeny tiny cup. But I'm going to link the cups that I used in my description if you want to use the mini cups, because they're so cute, especially for swaps or an ornament or just little gifts. You could fill this up with sequins and glitter and things like that. Okay, so I actually have an extra one because I want to show you exactly how I did mine so that you guys aren't confused. Okay, and then moving along, you also have this, which is tiny little rosettes. So look at how cute. So you could use this itself, making Christmas embellishments, right? Or you can put them on your cup to add some dimension. Now, when you do these rosettes, it's only gonna, just for someone who is very new to rosettes, you actually do this twice. You have to connect one side and then connect the other side. So you're doing an accordion on two sides. So I didn't know which side I was going to use. So there's this side, and then I have this just to hold it down. So, okay, that's the mini rosette. And you see here, I have all these different shapes. So I cut two of each because I want you to see. Now, I'm showing you this because these right here, which are the kind of larger ones, they will match these stamps. So you can, and this one too. So as you can see, this is going to be not just for Christmas, okay? Not just for the holidays, but for spring, for Thanksgiving, Halloween. So you can make these cups or do little embellishments that have this with all these stamps. So just the stamps in itself, which is a separate kit, just FYI, but you can use it with this, okay? And this is also the other one. So this is more sentiments with love, a homemade gift. So you can do all these tags, because I know that when I'm in the store, you're always looking for something that says everything. And this says everything. This is like happy birthday with love. Just everything's right here, okay? And then just for you. So if you're baking, it's just lots of variety. Okay, so those are these. And then again, there's a smaller version. So you can stack these up. So for those of you who don't have the punch, you can just layer these up with the double-sided tape to add that 3D effect. Oh gosh, my dog has something. Okay, but it's okay. He can chew it. And then we have the little ones, which you can pop these on the rosettes just to, you know, make it pop a little bit more. So you have about 3 circle sizes, or 4, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've got like a little edging to them. And then the tiny little detailed ones, you can see, so this is just to add a little pop, like especially for Valentine's Day on your cup or on your little rosette or whatever little project you have. So you can see it's a little pumpkin, gingerbread, and a heart, just one of different holiday ones. And then this part is so much fun because I have a huge problem making these. So these are the little banners, but you know, most of the tutorials you fold it yourself. So this already has the crease for you. So you don't have to fight it being even or anything. So it's actually just this. I just added another one on, but it does it for you. So I cut this out and you can see the dotted lines. So this is going to be so simple. You're just going to literally just fold it forward and fold it right back on that line, and it's going to create that banner effect for you. So you can sew this so it has that really fun banner effect, or you can glue it, which I just glued mine. And then if you want, you can like take another one and layer it up and run it through and just add some embellishments on there. So that's another way to use that. Okay. So I didn't want any questions with this because I know it can be confusing. That's why I'm going through all of this. Now, here's the beautiful little liners that I wanted to add on the edging, so it looked a little different. Now, if you don't have a cup or you don't want to order the cup, this will go on any round type object, okay? So an example would be, so just look around your room, see what you got. Like I have this little tin thing that I got from Tuesday morning. So let's say you're doing a swap or something. I want to show you how cute this looks. So you can take your little, because you know, it has a little bit of a curve to it. It's not straight. So you're able to wrap this around things. So just an example is you can absolutely wrap it around these type of things. So anything like that has some sort of curve. But let's go ahead and just do a cup really quick, okay? So I wonder what you guys think. I know it's a little different, but I wanted something just different because I feel like there's so many dies out there, and I feel like this one can be used all year round, especially the mini cups. Who does not want a mini cup? Sorry, I'm opening my glue. Okay, so I'm going to take this plain little cup, and what I'm going to do is just kind of eyeball it, and I'm going to show you, you have a lot of extra space here. So I'm going to layer it here, and I'm going to just overlap mine a little bit. So I'm going to do this. So my other glue is clogged right now because I need to refill it. So I'm just going to use this old school glue here. Okay, and I'm just going to smack that on there. Make sure you curve it. And then I'm just going to take this and basically just wrap it around. Now I'm going, ooh, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I need to let this dry, you guys. All right, let me hold that. So I want to show you my trick to getting this to stay easy. So what I'm going to do is actually take a glue dot. So if you guys use this, so I don't lose my spot, or you can just glue it, whatever you want. And I'm going to stick it on there so I don't lose my place when I'm putting this down. I'm probably going to actually do maybe another one so it wraps. Okay, let's hope this is dry. I'm not used to using that glue. So just, now I got my glue dot on there, and I have another glue dot right here. Okay, and then you see this extra room I have right here? You can absolutely put this under and wrap it around. I believe that's what some do, but I'm not going to do that. Like I said, it's just an extra leeway. I'm going to just snip mine, and I'm going to glue it down with the glue dot. So I want to show you how easy it is to do this, okay? So I'm just going to add another 2 glue dots. And the reason why I'm doing that is because it's supposed to look like a sleeve, so you don't have to have it glued down all the way. You know, like when you get a thing from Starbucks, it's like a sleeve. So right there. Ta-da! And it's on there really good. I just used some glue dots. And then from here, oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Like, I got things sticking around everywhere, okay? And at this point, you can add, now these don't wrap all the way around, so it's kind of more like a for show thing. So you got to kind of pick which side you're going to put this on, but you can add your little strip here and glue that on. So that looks so cute. Or you can take this one and add this on. I wanted something super doily and roughly. There we go. So I want to show you what this one looks like. So you can see that, or you can even just, you know, lower it so you have a little bit of an effect like that. So it looks so pretty like that, but I want to show you that it doesn't wrap around all the way. So I could use one more glue dot on there so this doesn't stick out. Or you can just glue it normal, but I feel like the glue dots work very well for this type of project because you're kind of wrapping it around and you want it to grasp on something. So, and then you have your rosette, but look at how cute it would look with that. Or just like, ooh, goodness, I cannot hold anything today. Or like this, so you have that. So at this point, you want to kind of make your lid go wherever it's not showing the wrap cut off. So this is kind of like a good center. Take your twine, because that's definitely going to make your project really stand out with this cup. This is definitely a thicker twine. I think this is the Hobby Lobby one. Someone actually pointed that out for me. I was looking in a video, and thank you for that, because I could not remember where I got this, and then I was at Hobby Lobby the other day, and I was like, okay, that's my Hobby Lobby twine. So it kind of frays compared to the other one I have, but I do like the colors. So I'm going to turn my lid just a little more. Because I don't want that side to show. Okay, and then I have just stamped on warm wishes on this, or winter wishes. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to look for my foam tape. Okay, so I'm just doing something quick and simple. I have so much going on today, you guys. I'm actually supposed to do the live today. So I'm so excited. Everything's a mess because this was released and I had to get this up. Okay, oh no, don't come off on me. This cup is not easy to work with the twine on it. So there's that. So simple. And then if I want to add this, I kind of would like a little border just so you guys can see it. Maybe right there. Okay, hold on, let me take this off real quick. This I feel like I could glue on. Now this is cardstock, so you could even use the glue dots, but I think I'm going to try and glue this on. I hope this glue works. Just bear with me. I want to make sure it's dry. Let me see here. So it really makes it more whimsical when you're doing this. And I'm really sorry, you guys. I'm using Elmer's Craft Bond glue. If any of you guys use this, seriously, find a new one, because this is so hard on your hands. Like, I can literally feel my hands gonna have arthritis if I use this every day. And it's just, I mean, it seems to work okay, but it's just really tough on your body. So there is that little one. So you can see there's just so many different ways. But again, what I think I'm going to do to give you ideas for this kit, because I just wanted to show the basic idea, is I think I'm going to make a separate video, if you guys would like, to show how to make some really fun embellishments with this kit. So it's definitely different and fun, and I hope you guys like it, okay? I couldn't wait to share this, and I just think this is perfect for the holidays, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.